Imagine having a device that allows you to earn money from $50 to $200 on autopilot with just 10 minutes of copying and pasting text and graphics. Designed for beginners, this unique strategy doesn't require any selling, social media followers, investments, or websites. All you need is a phone or computer and you can start earning money right away. Watch the video now to learn more and visit Zazzle.com to get started. This website allows you to create free designs for items like yard signs, fabric, mugs, stickers, and postcards and sell them on Zazzle.com. The website handles the selling process for you, making it easy to earn money online. When you visit our website, be sure to click on the search bar and enter the terms postcards to see a variety of postcard-related design options to choose from. On this website, you can find a plethora of postcards being sold by various individuals. If you click on the See All Results button, it will take you to the postcard category page. This is a great way to make money online as you can design your own electronic or digital postcards on Zazzle.com and sell them at a high price. As an example, take a look at this template that's been pre-designed for you. By using this template, you can create your own postcards to sell. So here's the marketplace. Some may charge you $1.20 per postcard, while others may charge a bit less at $1.10. As you scroll down, you'll see that this website has thousands of postcards that users have uploaded, and Zazzle.com will sell them on your behalf. And every time someone buys a postcard, you'll earn anywhere between $1 to $1.20. Let's do a quick math. If you can sell 30 postcards every day at $1.20 per postcard, that's $36 per day. And if you do this for a month, you can easily make $1,000. And the best part is, Zazzle.com will handle all the selling process for you. So it's all on autopilot. Once you've downloaded the app, or if you prefer to use the website, you'll need to sign in or register for an account. You can do this by clicking the Sign In button on the website and then hit Register. You can either use your Facebook or Google account or just enter your email address and password. After entering your email, don't forget to check your inbox for the activation link to confirm your account. After creating your free account, go back to the homepage and click the Create button. You'll then be taken to a page where you can start generating a variety of items such as gift cards and postcards that you can sell for a substantial profit. Once you click the purple Start Creating button, you'll be taken to a page where you can start creating a variety of different designs like clothing, shoes, and mugs. There are numerous different templates for various products that you can make on this website for free. As you scroll down, before we go any deeper, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Postcards are one of the most popular products on the website, and you can find them by scrolling down. They're the second most popular and trending product in the most popular products category. Creating your e-postcard on Zazzle.com is easy. All you need to do is click on the Create button, and the postcard template on the right will begin to populate. This way, you can start using it and making your postcard. You can insert any element you like by clicking on the Elements button. For example, if you want to add a flower, simply click on it to place it on the postcard, and then drag it to change its size. You can place it anywhere and add the text on top. To do that, you only need to click on Text and then Add Text, or you can just select any font type. Once you've added the text, it will appear on the canvas. Simply drag it over to the flower and place it there. After that, you can lower the flower a little bit. After that, you can lower the flower a bit. The text will appear on this image as soon as you click on it. You can move it slightly upward, alter the angle, and reduce the size of the flower. You can just drag it to reduce its size and pull it down. Double-click on the text will allow you to make changes. The text will instantly change to, for example, "Make money online." You can also drag the text to make it smaller, or if it's too large, to fit inside the postcard. Creating postcards on Zazzle.com is easy and fun. You can use your imagination to add different elements like text, icons, and backgrounds to make a unique and lovely postcard. Once you've made your postcard, you can sell it for $1.20 or $1.10. You can start selling a lot of them, perhaps 15 per day, 20 per day, 30 per day, or even up to 100 postcards per day. This will generate a significant amount of passive income for you. If you don't want to make postcards from scratch, there's another bonus tip for you. Go to the template section where you can find a ton of templates that have already been made. For example, in the postcard category, you can just click the View All button and they will filter out all the results of postcard templates that have already been completed for you and are ready to use. These templates are exquisite and expertly designed. You can use them with just one click. You can also double-click to modify the text to whatever you want. For instance, you can change the phrase to "subscribe and like" or "my channel." You can also change the text if it's too big. Additionally, you can add icons to your postcard by clicking the Icons button and selecting from a variety of options like a cat or any other design. You can resize and attach the icon to the top of your postcard. It's a really easy process to make a beautiful postcard on Zazzle.com. On Zazzle.com, you can create and sell postcards for a profit, but there's a way to earn even more money by referring friends to the website. When you visit the homepage, look for a Refer a Friend link at the bottom and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can generate a personalized link to share with your friends. Your friends will receive a 25% discount code for Zazzle.com and you can purchase your postcards at a discounted price. This is a great way to promote your postcards and earn extra money. You can share the link on social media, and anyone who clicks on it will receive discount. It's a win-win situation as your friends will get a discount and you earn profit at the same time. Make sure to use Zazzle.com's free creation tools to create unique designs for your postcards. Once you're happy with the design, click the blue Download button at the top. Then, open the design on your computer for free. Use the pre-made template and customize it to your liking. Then, post the finished product for free on Zazzle.com. By emailing customers a personalized link and offering a 25% discount, you can start selling and encourage others to buy from you. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.